If you're on a journey to shed a few pounds, or to get that ideal body you want, you might be wondering, what are the best foods to help with weight loss? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're breaking down four powerhouse food groups that not only support healthy weight loss, but also keep your body nourished and energized. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Like berries and leafy greens are nature's low-calorie powerhouses. These colorful foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, and they're naturally low in calories. That means you can eat a lot without overdoing it on calories. 2. Lean proteins like thick eggs and chicken are a must-have for any weight loss-friendly diet. Protein helps you feel full longer, supports your muscles, and even boosts your metabolism slightly through something called the thermic effect of food. 3. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa are loaded with fiber and keep your energy steady throughout the day. That means fewer blood sugar crashes and fewer trips to the snack drawer. And the best part? Whole grains keep you feeling full, help with digestion, and support long-term weight control when eaten in the right portions. 4. Healthy fats might sound counterintuitive. Eating the right fats can actually help you lose weight by keeping you satisfied and curbing overeating. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon are all great choices. These fats support brain health, heart health, and even help your body absorb important nutrients from food. Remember, there's no need to starve yourself or follow extreme diets. Just build your meals around these wholesome foods, listen to your body, and take it one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on everyday health tips. Thanks for watching.